My name is Dave Zampese. I'm the Director of Marketing for a company called HapYak. It's an interactive video platform. And what that means is we help organizations take their existing videos and make them interactive. Basically the same things that you do on the web with clicks and navigating and filling out forms. We can do that inside of video itself. So your existing videos, we can help you do that. So I have a few slides and a couple examples to show you. Our technology is based upon HTML5, so it works everywhere. We work with Flash videos as well as all the major OVP videos. The videos stay wherever they are, whether they're on your media servers or YouTube or Brightcove, places like that. We work with all modern browsers, and then it works on desktops, tablets, and iPads. We work with a lot of big name companies out there. We're still a startup. We've been in business for about 3 years, but there's a lot of uses both for marketing, for lead generation, as well as lead nurturing, as well as for learning and development for companies that want to do training, as well as compliance type uses. Video, as you know, is a very powerful medium. From a marketing perspective, it's one of the most, I guess, beneficial content pieces they use out there, and we help them to get greater conversions and usage there. So interactive video, again, we make it video more of a web-like navigable experience inside that video. So as opposed to somebody leaving after 20 seconds, and a lot of people say engagement, that was a failure, that somebody left after 20 seconds, but we don't actually know if they went to another part of the website and conducted some sort of action like they signed up for something. We have the ability to embed those type of call to actions right inside the video and then provide the data that says, yeah, somebody left within the first 10 seconds or 20 seconds, they got it, and they went right and did exactly what you want. So that's not a failure, that's actually a success. And in fact, we view organizations that when somebody watches the entire video, depending on the type of video, that might actually be the failure because they didn't take the call to action. So again, we can embed call to actions. We do chapters or branching that really enable folks to personalize that content, to really pick the pieces that are most relevant to them and get that up front, as opposed to waiting to see in the first 20 seconds, does this seem like it's going to address my needs? They now can choose what they want to view based upon their actual needs. You can embed questions, polling, surveys, all inside the video, as opposed to somebody embedding it somewhere around the page. And when you get feedback, is it really associated with the content on the page, the way the page looks? Did they even look at the video? This really gives the ability to view that data inside the video. And we can do shoppable type videos where people can make purchases. And let's see right here. So now I'll jump over to a couple of videos. So here's a video for Neutrogena. This is gonna. You click on the actual shopping cart. It pulls up the product. And then you can go and check out. In this case, it's going straight to Amazon, where you put it right into your cart to purchase, but you can put it on somebody's own shopping cart if you want. Here's an example for Motley Fool that we've done, where they're using the video itself to do lead generation for signups for different webinars. So someone can go in there and put their name into the actual box and collect that data, as opposed to putting it on the side. I put in the information correctly, but it actually can shake and do validations to make sure that data is actually put in correctly. And then this is an example of chapters for Herbalife that does products. Again, we turn the video itself into a web-like experience so somebody can embed forms, put that into their CRM systems. As this will go through. Thanks for signing up. Then it plays the actual video itself. As you'll see here, you can click on chapters so that the personalization in terms of the person can find exactly what they want to see and then navigate to that. As they navigate to that, you can embed other videos depending upon what's a natural process for them. Again, it's a branching type scenario. What are they most interested in next? As opposed to a linear experience that says, this is what you have to listen to in this order. You now enable the viewer to personalize it. Again, this ends with a shopping cart scenario. And two last slides. The tool is very easy to use. I don't have enough time to show it, but we provide free access to the tool on site. It's clickable. You can easily log in, add any interactivities to your existing videos. You can do branding and styling as well. It's fully API driven. Again, we're a platform, so you can embed this in your own technologies. You can connect the data to your CRM systems, your marketing automation systems, and integrate it there. And the last slide is this one. It's just a pricing. Pricing is anywhere from $500 to $5,000 for unlimited videos a month. So that's it in a nutshell. Thank you. Any questions?
Do you have a free tier?
Well, we have a free non-commercial use of the license. So you go in there and play around with it. So there's the free version. But for commercial sides, it's a paid version.
And what video player do you use, and what CDNs do you use?
So we work with the OVPs. So we work with just about every video player out there. And the videos will stay where they're hosted. We're not a hosting company. We just merely put a mirror image on top of your video, give you a new embed code, and that's where the interactivity is that drives what goes on inside the video, whether it pauses or plays or jumps to different parts or different videos.
So does it work like, let's say someone plays the video on the iPhone or on the iPad? Do they get any of this functionality?
Yes, the iPad, yes. So iPhone is a very tricky one. They control the Safari on the iOS browser is one that is highly limited in terms of what type of interactivity you can do. So there is some minimal stuff that can work, and we're playing around with some other things. It's the same situation for everybody in this space, is that the iOS is kind of locked down. But the tablets, it works, and desktops and Google Android phones, those work fine. Anybody else? Questions? Has anybody who's heard of interactive video? A fair amount. Not many people do. It's about what you would expect, but interactive video is very big on YouTube, especially if you go and see the video and you hit subscribe to a channel. So it is very popular out there, but it's more and more adoptions happening every day. But it's interesting to know how many people were familiar with it. Any other questions?
When are you going to add AR?
What's that?
When are you going to add AR?
Yeah.
Who's your competitor?
So YouTube is the largest. We're the second largest. YouTube is the largest one for interactive videos. There's agencies like Interlude and Wrapped Media that actually produce these interactive videos, but it's very high-end budgets. We've created a platform that's self-sufficient in terms of you can work with your existing videos and add this, whether it's for training or whether it's for marketing. So.
Do the TV companies also your competitors? Like, if I go to some interactive channels, right? Like you just directly buy.
In a TV?
Yeah.
Sure. Yeah. Our stuff works on demand.
Something called Cable Vision in New York. So
Cable Vision?
I see a lot of interactive channels in there.
Sure. Any type of interactivity inside of a video. It's dependent upon the device, the Cablevision box.
Yeah.
So it doesn't work for all channels and whatnot. But yeah.
Are you competing with ad tech companies at all that offer an in-house version of what you're doing?
So you could use our technology to embed ads inside of your videos. Most start at the beginning or the end. You can actually place exactly where you want and then run it across hundreds of videos depending upon a template. We don't consider ourselves competing with them. Somebody could use our platform to embed ads, anybody's ads if they wanted to, but we're not specifically an ad platform. We don't consider ourselves that. Okay, anything else? Thank you very much again for sticking around for the last one.